So this is WOLFBOX's super power turbo fan. It's kind of, I mean, the box looks pretty good. So let's look at what it comes with. So it's been used, it looks like, a little bit. This isn't new, but here's the manual. It talks about just different parts. I guess that's just one sheet. This looks to be, yeah, the user manual, so instructions, English and Spanish. Again, just talking about the different parts, how to work it, some specifications, storage, and then customer service. And is there, no, I don't see a warranty, but that's okay. Here's the fan itself. We got a nice braided USB to USB-C cable. That's pretty nice. I don't know if I've seen anything that does a braided cable like that. There's 3 nozzles, kind of a vacuum-esque one, just a small one with a little bit of a protrusion, and then the long nozzle one. Okay, so let's get the actual blower itself out. So here it is. It's got a nice black and orange color scheme. Has a decent weight to it. Not like heavy, but you know, feels good. Here's the power button and the charging port and the blowing button. So I've used one similar to this, so I'm gonna see if it's similar. So yeah, so we've held the power button, and if again, if it's the same model, so these 3 dots is the power level, so strongest, medium, and weakest blowing power. So I'm just gonna put this piece of paper here, kind of give an idea of how it might blow. So that was the weakest one. You know, kind of not too much oomph behind it. That was the second. Let me grab this piece of paper. And then, so for the third and strongest setting, you can't just turn it on. You have to hold it because it's just that strong. So yeah, it does the job pretty well. So this is pretty well regarded fan. If you need it for cleaning, I mean, mainly dust, but electronics or other, you know, dusty places, or who knows what, you could get creative with it. But the different nozzles can be used for different circumstances and instances, and yeah, pick one up. It's pretty good.